All right. You're really, really revving. You're revving up, mister. You're revving up, mister. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, you love it squeaking. Yeah, go tell them pigeons to move along. Go tell them pigeons to move along. You tell them. You tell them. Come on, give it up. Give it up. Yeah, nice. Nice. I got it. I got it. I got it. Ooh. He is raring today. Chasing off pigeons. Pair number 332? No, I don't know where your glasses are.
I'm sure I have a pair in the house.
333 is probably in the dash of the car.
I'm drinking hot coffee. No, get away from my...
Well, come on, get down here. Oh, there he is.
What do you got?
The woodpecker. Yeah. He's already been. He fought him off once. Is that him? I think it's him. That might be the female.
You don't see other birds hanging around.
That's true. We gotta name this pair of pigeons because they've owned you now.
Yeah.
And it's a pair.
Yeah.
I can pretty much guarantee.
I kind of like them. That's suggestive.
Well, what should we call them? George and Martha. Jackie and John. Jackie and John. Harold and Maude. That wouldn't work. Oh, it's the pair of them. He's up there with the weef. I think that's him. I don't know where she went though. I don't know what you're doing, but I want to play. And I want to run off George and Martha. Go get him. Go get him. Look at Martha. She's like, whatever, dude. Go get it. Wow. I think Hamish just called me a bad word. I'm sitting there up on the roof. Just waiting for him to get 5 feet further away before they come down. Come on. Oh, that's Charlie. Charlie's in the back. That's Charlie. Charlie. All right. You have had enough, clearly. And you say, hey. There it goes. Get it. Dude. Okay. He wants a squirrel. That's what he wants.